So what we have done last time, bolo.
Sigmatropic कितना है?
Sigmatropic rearrangements. We were discussing sigmatropic rearrangement reactions. So in continuation with that, let's further move on. Now the next topic, and it's a very important topic, is Cope rearrangement reaction. Cope rearrangement reaction. Okay. Oh boys, रोला ना पाओ, मैं क्लास ले रहा, ठीक है? इधर आओ, इधर आ बेटे, तेन कह रहा, इधर आ, इधर ही टप के आ जाए यार, इनू बंद कर दे दरवाजे। वो तो लग गया होना ना, वो लग गया होना। Okay, so your next reaction is Cope rearrangement reaction. So again, this Cope rearrangement reaction is a very important as far as your exams are concerned. Okay, it's a very important reaction. Okay, and it fell into the category of, again, sigmatropic rearrangement reaction. Okay, Cope rearrangement is also a sigmatropic rearrangement reaction. Now, what is Cope rearrangement? It is a 3-3 sigmatropic rearrangement. It's a 3-3 sigmatropic rearrangement reaction of E. Okay, Cope rearrangement is a 3-3 sigmatropic rearrangement reaction of 1,5-diene, and it takes place under thermal conditions. It takes place under thermal condition. Okay, so this is Cope rearrangement. So yes, what's Cope rearrangement? It's a sigmatropic rearrangement reaction. Which sigmatropic? 3-3 sigmatropic. Or किससे विच होता है? In 1,5-diene. Now, what do you understand by 1,5-diene? 1,5-diene means? Yes, bolo. 1,5-diene means? What do you mean by diene?
Sir, 2 double bond होंगे.
हाँ, 2 double bond होंगे. और किस position पे होंगे? 1 and 5. So that's your 1,5-diene. ना सोचने वाली कड़ी गल इससे विच. So it will look like this. So this is your carbon number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So at position number 1 and at position number 5, you have double bonds. So this is your 1,5-diene, or simply it's a hexadiene. So it's a 1,5-hexadiene. Okay. And if you heat this molecule, it undergoes a 3. How we name this 3-3? मैं थोड़ा nomenclature method दस्या सी. So what do you understand by this 3-3? Now, which group will migrate? Which carbon will get attached to at which position? 3-3 migration. How we name sigmatropic rearrangement reactions? So this is your 1,5-diene. So which carbon is labeled as number 1? Which carbon is labeled as number 1 while naming? बेटे मेथड दस्या सी कि नहीं दस्या सी? So which carbon should be number 1? In very beginning of sigmatropic rearrangement, I have told you how to name these reactions I, J. So far we have discussed 1, 3, 1, 5 sigmatropic. So how we name them? Which is your first carbon? How to label this chain? Bolo. बेटे इतना पढ़ोगे, there's no way कि तुसी पास हो जाओ. बोलो, which carbon should I label 1?
Sir, migrating group.
Migrating group तो ठीक है, but I have to label them as 1, 2, 3 है ना? So carbon is labeled as the number 1 carbon. Like here you have 1, 3 sigmatropic number 1. I.
Sir, double bond तो गया. Pi तो.
हाँ, उस carbon का नाम की है?
Pi तो other end तो. Sir.
when you label them in sigma-tropic rearrangement, you always label allylic carbon as the first carbon. So which is allylic carbon here? This carbon. This is also allylic. So you can either start numbering here or from here. So you always put number 1 on your allylic carbon. So this is 1, 2, 3. And atom which is directly connected with the allylic carbon in migrating group is also numbered 1. So this will be also number 1, 2, 3. Now what was I? I was the atom number in migrating group which get attached to the other end of pi system. And so in 3,3 sigma tropic rearrangement, which atom will attach to the which one? Which atom will get attached to which one? 3,3.
3
These 3 will get attached here. So there will be a sigma bond here and this sigma bond will break. So there will be shifting of electrons like this. Okay, there will be bond formation here. Okay, so this will give rise to a like this. So this type of rearrangement is called Cope rearrangement. And suppose here you have some group say X or Y. So this rearrangement is called Cope rearrangement and take place under thermal condition. So what is Cope rearrangement? Cope rearrangement is a 3,3 sigma tropic rearrangement reaction of 1,5-diene. And it takes place via formation of cyclic transition state. You can see here there's a formation of cyclic transition state. This bond will break over here and on the other side bond will form. So this will break, here bond will form and these pi electrons, they will shift. So you will get 6-membered cyclic transition state like this. So yes, any doubt over the definition of this Cope rearrangement? So how this Cope rearrangement take place? It take place via formation of 6-membered cyclic transition state. Now your transition state is 6-membered. Okay, transition state is 6-membered. And it is very similar to cyclohexane. So in which 2 conformations it can exist? Your cyclohexane, it can exist in... Hanji? हाँ, yes, bolo.
Chair form to board form, sir.
Yes, chair form and board form. So this transition state also. However, which one is more stable out of these 2? Chair form is stable or board form is stable? Chair form is more stable. By a 6-membered cyclic transition chair line of chair type, we can draw them. So this is your bond formation here. Okay, state in Cope rearrangement. Now, why it is more stable? Because here in this case, extent of overlapping between orbitals is more. Here, extent of more. Okay, here extent of, if you compare it with both, I have to draw it again. Okay. Here terminal orbital, okay. Neighboring is here. So when it is a better overlap transition state. Now, what will happen in both conformation? Now, in both conformation, this carbon has to move up. Okay, so in both conformation, you have situation like this. Okay, you have to move this carbon up. So suppose this remains same. So here you have these lobes like this, and this. Now lobes, they will remain parallel to this one or they will become perpendicular to these lobes?
So perpendicular.
They will become, of course, perpendicular. Because rotate karjega. So here, when you move like this, these lobes, they will become perpendicular and the extent of overlapping between the orbitals is less as compared to chair conformation. So your chair conformation is more stable and Cope rearrangement, it takes place via cyclic chair conformation rather than board conformation. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So how is the nature of transition state in Cope rearrangement? In Cope rearrangement, your transition state is chair-like, not board-like. Because in chair conformation, your orbitals, they are parallel, but in board conformation, your orbitals, they are perpendicular. So yes, any question up to this point? बोलो की गल सो गए
सर आगे समझ
चलो so now substituent sigma found that if X and Y, if X and Y, releasing groups, releasing and like a arrangement reaction, and reaction take place faster. So let us now look this Cope rearrangement or 3,3 sigma tropic rearrangement reaction by FMO theory, and then we will look by it PL, FE, take homo arrangement reaction, arrangement which so you homo of this allylic radical. What will case? Now in this case you have this situation. So how the reaction will take place? Cleavage to give rise to a radical, and what radicals will form?
Sir, allylic only.
Allylic. So here, this is your migrating group over here. Okay, and this bond undergoes a homolytic bond cleavage. So here you get two allylic radicals. Okay, एक radical इत्थे बन जाएगा, एक radical इत्थे बन जाएगा. So in this case, what you get is you get two allylic radicals. Okay, so this with so here migrating group was hydrogen, but here you have both allylic radicals. So these both allylic. What will be your molecular orbitals of this allylic radical? Bolo orbitals. दो allylic radical ने ना containing 3 carbons. So what will be their molecular? To draw molecule 1. ठीक है? And SOMO of these two will overlap over each other. If they have the same symmetry, reaction will be allowed. If they have different symmetry, reaction will be forbidden. So what are the SOMO molecule? की होंगे इससे?
Psi1, Psi2,
बेटे यही तो है, कितनी बार फोन में कराऊंगा, यही तो चीज है, दो बने रहे हैं, की होंगे Psi1, Psi2, Psi3 star, and total you have 3 electrons, so you have 2 electrons here, 1 electron here. So this is your 1 allylic species, and this is your SOMO. And similarly for the second molecule, you have, okay, so here you have 2 electrons, here 1 electron, so this is again your SOMO. So SOMO of this symmetry of Psi1, it's mirror symmetric. Here also, miss again mirror. The orbitals of the side. So
opposite, sir.
Opposite. So plus. And here, second SOMO, it is also Psi2 sign.
Sir, opposite.
Oh, reaction is allowed or forbidden? Because these two sign overlapping plus null condition, this reaction is allowed. Now 3 to Psi3 star. So you have Psi3. So this is supposed that electron from Psi2, it will jump over here into Psi3 star. So you have 2 electrons here. Now, which is your new SOMO?
Psi3 star.
So this 3 OD. Here 2 even, and this is C2 symmetry. So reaction will be allowed or forbidden by symmetry?
Forbidden.
So let us draw. So Psi2. Now in Psi2, as we know, N is C1. So these terminal lobes, they will have opposite sign. And what are opposite? Remember, N is odd. Same sign. So minus plus step, and there's a formation of sigma bond, but here you have minus, and over this is mirror symmetric, bisymmetric. So from this discussion by FMO method, we can say that Cope rearrangement reaction take place under thermal condition, and photochemically the reaction is forbidden. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let us further discuss. That method is PL sigmatropic rearrangement by Mobius method. We take frontier molecular orbitals in this method?
Sir,
In Huckel-Mobius method or not?
no, sir.
No, we do not take frontier molecular orbitals. We take simple system, okay, in which your all lobes have the same sign, and then we look for their overlapping. Okay, and if in overlapping, we see whether system has node or node. If it is 0 node, we call it Huckel system. If it has 1 node, we call it Mobius system. And then we look for the number of electrons in transition state. If your transition state is aromatic, then reaction will be allowed under thermal condition. If your transition state is anti-aromatic, then your reaction will be forbidden under thermal state. Okay. So here again, we have 2 systems. Okay, it will undergo here breakage. So we have 2 kind of system. One is this radical orbitals here. So here I have to, and let us I take minus plus here, minus. So overlapping can take place in a different way. So in supra overlapping, lobes overlapping is there. So plus will, they are on the
0.
Does it have any node? Electrons are there in this transition state. It's a Huckel system. Now, how many electrons are there in this transition state?
So 4.
4. Now, you the sigma bond break kar rahe hai na. The kinne total 2 to 4 and the 4, and thermal condition is aromatic or anti-aromatic?
Aromatic.
Aromatic. And reaction is allowed or forbidden?
Allowed, sir.
But photochemically, reaction is forbidden. Okay. We got this same result here. Now, what is second possibility? Supra.
Antara.
Again, so you have a plus. How supra and tara will cause you take this yellow. Supra means these two lobes on the same side. So let's overlap this and this one. So this
Minus,
will overlap with
sir.
plus or minus. So term is under
Anti.
reactochemically geometry. Tara supra. So how it will upper one, both lobe on opposite side. Minus plus. And now this plus will overlap from here about the transition state. Same. Okay, you can write it again. And what will be last one? Okay, so you can write plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. Now both are Antara. So which lobe should be overlap with the which one? Say this negative overlap with this negative, this positive with this positive. So you can see both are Antara. So it's a 0 node Huckel system with 4 is aromatic and chemically it is forbidden. However, this geometry is not favorable for the reaction as we have already discussed. So reaction will take place under supra-supra mode only. So this was your HM theory or Huckel-Mobius theory for the this Cope rearrangement reaction. तो अगर एग्जाम क्वेश्चन आ जाता है डिस्कस कोप रीअरेंजमेंट रिएक्शन, ठीक है, अगर एग्जाम क्वेश्चन आ जाता है डिस्कस कोप रीअरेंजमेंट रिएक्शंस, ओके, डिस्कस कोप रीअरेंजमेंट रिएक्शंस वाया एफएमओ थ्योरी, सो यू हैव टू डिस्कस दिस, और जो अपन पहला डिस्कस की है, एंड अगर ये आ जाता है discuss Cope rearrangement reaction via PM or HM theory, you have to discuss this. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
And बेटे मैं एक फॉर्म ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਭੇਜਿਆ ਸੀਗਾ Google फॉर्म.
Yes, sir.
ग्रुप ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਸਾਰੇ ਨੇ ਰਜਿਸਟਰ ਕਰ ਲਿਆ ਉਸ ਚ ਕਿ ਕੋਈ ਰਹਿ ਗਿਆ ਬੱਚੇ? ਕੋਈ ਐਸਾ ਬੱਚਾ ਜਿਸਨੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਕੀਤਾ ਹੋਵੇ?
Done.
ਹਾਂਜੀ बेटे.
शुरू हो गया साडा.
Okay. Chalo. So this was your Cope rearrangement reaction based upon FMO theory and PMO or HM method. Okay. So now next is stereochemistry. As I told you earlier, in all pericyclic reactions, they are highly stereospecific. This means जो भी स्टीरियोकेमिस्ट्री थोड़े रिएक्टेंट मॉलिक्यूल दिए सेम विल प्रोसीड इन योर प्रोडक्ट, ठीक है, दे आर हाईली स्टीरियोस्पेसिफिक. सो फॉर एग्जांपल, सपोज यू हैव दिस मॉलिक्यूल, and here you have a substituents. Okay, suppose you have methyl here, hydrogen here, and methyl here. Now, if you heat this molecule, it will undergo the 3,3 sigma tropic reaction 3, and there will be new sigma bond formation between 3,3, and in between 1 and 2, you will get a double bond. Okay, so okay, 3, 2 of these methyl and hydrogen over this double bond. What will be position of these methyl and hydrogen over this double bond? Since the same will go in the product, there will be no change. So what will be position of this methyl group over this double bond product ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ? They will be on the same side or they will be on the different side? You can see here, methyl are on the same side. Both hydrogens, they are on the same side.
ਤਾਂ ਫਿਰ ਸਰ
ਪ੍ਰੋਡਕਟ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਵੀ ਸੇਮ ਸਾਈਡ ਰਹਿਣਗੇ ਕਿ ਆਪੋਜ਼ਿਟ ਸਾਈਡ ਚਲੇ ਜਾਣਗੇ?
ਸਰ ਸੇਮ ਸਾਈਡ
ਰਹਿਣਗੇ, ਫਿਰ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਸੋਚਣ ਵਾਲੀ ਤਾਂ ਗੱਲ ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ। ਡਾਊਨ ਤਾਂ ਇੱਥੇ ਵੀ ਕੀ ਆਏਗਾ? ਮਿਥਾਈਲ ਔਨ ਇਸ ਸਿਸ ਔਰ ਟ੍ਰਾਂਸ ਦਿਸ ਡਬਲ ਬੌਂਡ ਅਪਰ ਵਨ, ਇੱਧਰ ਵੀ ਹਾਈਡਰੋਜਨ ਹੈ, ਇੱਧਰ ਵੀ ਹਾਈਡਰੋਜਨ ਹੈ। ਤਾਂ ਇਹ ਵਾਲਾ ਡਬਲ ਬੌਂਡ ਸਿਸ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਟ੍ਰਾਂਸ ਉੱਪਰ ਵਾਲਾ? ਇਸ ਦੋ ਸੇਮ ਗਰੁੱਪ ਆਪੋਜ਼ਿਟ ਸਾਈਡ ਟ੍ਰਾਂਸ,
ਸਰ
trans नीचे वाला की है cis, and similarly if you have a this situation side that both hydrogen they are on the opposite here. I have bete less than 1 minute ਤਾਂ ਜਦੋਂ ਬੰਦ ਹੋ ਜਾਏਗਾ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਰੀਜੁਆਇਨ ਕਰੋਗੇ। ਤਾਂ so methyl ਇੱਥੇ ਕੀ ਹੈ? down, so I will write it down. दोनों डबल बॉन्ड cis ने या trans ने? ओ बेटे बोलो।